In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on this tab, slide it out, set that aside. To pull these screws out, you are going to need a special European 5-star tamper-proof socket. It is pretty rare, so when I pull it out, you'll see what the screw looks like. Just unscrew the screw. So you can see that's a 5-star, not a 6-point. So you can't use a Torx, a tamper-proof Torx. It's not going to work. You need a 5-star. And take the other one out as well. And grab the mass airflow sensor. And it slides right out. Take the new mass airflow sensor, line it up, and just lightly rock it back and forth until it's flush. Take the 2 screws, get those started. And we'll tighten those down. And snug those both down. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.